Hello, we are here today to continue from where we left off in the last episode. In the last episode, I introduced to you some of the tools you need as an installer to be able to perform your installations successfully. I made mention of the spanner, I made mention of the screwdriver, the scissors, the knife, the hammer, the drilling machine, and all that. But we only looked at the uses of the knife and the cutter and also the plier. Today, we are going to continue with the rest. Let's quickly look at the screwdriver. The screwdriver is used in tightening the LMB holder. When you put the LMB on the LMB arm, there's a knot and then a screw to fasten it together on the LMB holder. So you use your screwdriver in tightening that. We also quickly look at the hammer. The hammer, sometimes you go to a home and you may want to mount your dish on the fascia board of the house or on a wooden structure where you can easily track your signal. So you use a nail to fasten your wall mount to the fascia board or the wooden structure where you want to mount your dish. So you hammer the nail to the wall mount firmly so that it will not shake, and then make sure you set your wall mount 90 degrees and make sure it stands firm. Let's also look at the scissors. The scissors is also used in dressing up the cable. When you want to connect your F connector to the coaxial cable, you need the scissors to cut off the braids around the copper conductor in the coaxial cable. So that is it for the scissors. So you also need a drilling machine. A drilling machine, as we all know, as the name goes, is used for drilling. And we drill the holes in the walls or the fascia board, and then we use anchor bolts or wall plugs inside the holes, and then we fasten our screws or nuts onto the wall mount to the wall. The drilling machine comes in varieties, and depending on your let's say how much you have, or depending on the size which you can handle perfectly, you need to go for which one will best fit you. With the drilling machine too, you also need a drilling bit. The drilling bit comes in so many diameters, and you have to know which one exactly you use for your work. But you need varieties everywhere you go, because some of the dishes come with different size of bolt and nut, and then you have to get a matching bit to be able to fasten your wall mount properly. Let's delve into the dish proper and then look at what the dish comes with, and then how you are able to get them assembled together before you hang it up into the sky or on the bracket. So the dish or the satellite dish is a complete accessory combined together or assembled together to track your signal. But we are going to look at the parts, the individual parts of the dish. So what I'll do is I'll just mention them to you. In the next video, we are going to see them physically. I will just make sure I get them ready, and then as I go on, I show you so that you see how it looks like and then how it is assembled together. So we look at the parts of the dish. We have the dish itself, which is the plate, and then that is the main thing that does the tracking, but it cannot work alone. So we have other accessories which are attached to it. We have the wall mount, we have the bracket, we have what is called the elevator that is used in elevating your dish vertically. The bracket also help in adjusting your dish horizontally. We have the LMB arm that holds the LMB holder. We have the back clamp that is used in tightening the wall mount onto the bracket of the dish. We also have the LMB itself. The LMB has a full meaning, which is low noise blocking device. So the L and B is low noise blocking. Okay, so that is also part of the dish. We also have the bolt and nut, which normally is 10 or 13 sizes. We have the LMB holder. Mostly it is plastic and is colored black or gray. You may also see it as ash. Okay, we also have a U-bolt and nut. With the U-bolt, it holds the bracket to the wall mount. That is the round bar, the 90-degree bar. It holds it together so that as you tighten, it avoids movement. We also have what is called the screw or the 8-bolt and nut for the LMB. You use that one in tightening the LMB onto the LMB holder. So today, I'm sure you've learned something. We are going to continue, and this will be fun. We will take you through so many aspects of satellite dish installation, and then I think before we get to the end of this, you really can assemble and then also do your tracking, and you are good to go. Thank you very much for your time today, but please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You also have a Facebook account, which is Echo Digisat. YouTube to Echo Digisat. Don't forget to like and share our videos, but most importantly, you have to subscribe. And anytime there's a new video, you have it. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.